Okay, we sent this phone off to this company right here in Miami through an eBay sale for service for a backlight issue. And they said they couldn't fix it for whatever reason, and the phone originally had no other issues besides just the backlight. You could see image on the screen, it would load up, it would download apps, you could do anything you want. You just had to shine a flashlight on the screen to see it. Well, I just got it back in, unopened. We're going to see what condition it is in now. Get this fixed up here, and we'll open this up. Their eBay ad advertises that they do this in less than 48 hours and send it back to you. They've had it for the last 4 weeks, and after sending multiple emails over a 4-week period, I only got responses twice out of a month of time in their shop. And this is the original box that I sent it to them in. Okay. Now, I'm not sure if you can see that or not. There are some pretty deep scratches on the glass that was not there before. Body of the phone looks okay. Let's open it up and see the quality of their component level repair. Oh, look at that. The cowling is missing for the display connectors. The camera is just hanging loose. Let's go ahead and pull the display off here. I'm not sure what happened to the battery there. Not even sure this is the original display. I don't remember a green check mark being on it. Maybe they did that to mark that they worked on it or not. I don't know. Is this even the same display? Could explain the gouges in the glass. Let's check further. The cowling for the battery is gone. You can see here, screws for the cowling, battery cowling is gone. Like some pretty shoddy repair work on that components. Yeah, if you're not equipped to make this kind of repair, don't sell the service on eBay.